In every industry today, wear and tear of mechanical parts is a major cost factor. How can we turn back the clock to enhance the life cycle value of your parts? Introducing LaserCladding, the solution you need to remanufacture and enhance the lifespan of your parts. Our innovative technology can help you to restore and further improve the performance of your mechanical parts, reduce costs and downtime, so you can recycle your parts and bring out the best in them. Introducing R3. Through laser-powder-cladding, high-value mechanical components can be remanufactured, particularly for engines running on heavy fuel oil. Durability in turbocharger components can be enhanced. This also applies to other mechanical systems with shaft components and more. Our award-winning processes will help you reduce your cost and minimize downtime. To bring you the following advantages: our clientele spans across various industries. LaserCladding promotes a culture of recycling, so you can contribute to global conservation efforts. With an international presence, LCS is the global solution you can trust.